Welcome to day 14 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today we'll be diving into an interesting program to create a number pyramid, ready to construct a numerical pyramid with your Python powers. Today's challenge: accept a starting number and a row count, then unleash a Python program that meticulously crafts a numerical pyramid of specified dimensions. Follow along as we explain the code step by step. Input: starting number, m number of rows in the pyramid. L example, given m log 10 and L log 5. The output will be a number pyramid with 5 rows. Let's dive into the code. Step by step, import the essential ingredient. Begin by summoning the range function, your trusty tool for generating number sequences. Capture user input. Prompt the viewer to enter the starting number and row count, storing these values as variables. Construct the outer loop. Establish a loop that iterates through each row, ensuring precise pyramid proportions. Shape inner rows with precision. Within each outer loop iteration, create nested loops to handle spaces and numbers, meticulously sculpting each row's structure. Unleash the number sequence. Print the numbers within each row, ascending towards the pyramid's peak. Ascend to the next line. After every row, add a new line to initiate the next step in the pyramid's construction. Behold the fruit of your labor. Execute the code and witness the magnificent numerical pyramid materialize before your eyes. Sample: input and output are also provided for your reference. Watch now to enhance your Python skills and understand the logic behind creating a fascinating number pyramid. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Python challenges and tutorials. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our daily coding journey. Check out our previous challenges. Stay tuned for daily coding challenges, mind-bending algorithm explorations, and exclusive tips to propel your Python prowess and YouTube channel to the stratosphere.